Hello there, it's Bike Touring Mike here. In this video I'm gonna talk about the Ortlieb back roller and front roller plus. I've had these bags for about 5 years and I really like them a lot. They're basically just a big bag that you roll up to make everything waterproof. They're a bit pricey, but they'll give you a lot of value for your money since they'll probably last you forever. To open up the pannier, you just release the top strap, followed by unzipping the 2 side buckles, and then the pannier magically opens up. The inside is basically just one big compartment, which I think is a good thing since you can just stuff everything down and it goes really fast to pack everything. However, there are 2 small compartments on the inside of the bag. One up against the back, where I usually just keep my bike pump and some small electronics. And there's also a smaller mesh compartment that comes with a zipper that is ideal for storing your passport or other valuable things. Ortlieb states that you're supposed to roll the bag about 3 to 4 times to make sure that it's totally waterproof. However, on days when I know it's not gonna rain, I'm usually satisfied with just rolling it once or twice. The quick lock mounting system that the Ortlieb bags are equipped with is very well engineered. You just pull up the hand strap and it releases the clips that hold the bag onto the rack. To put the pannier back onto the rack, you do everything in reverse order. You start by sliding the clips back onto the rack, release the strap, and it's attached to the bike. I would make sure that the locking mechanism is working and that the bottom tab is in place. I've actually had one of these panniers come off the bike during one of my bike tours, which resulted in me losing the pannier and all of its valuable belongings. Another nice feature of the mounting system on the Ortlieb bags is that it's really easy to adjust these clips up here and the tab down here to be able to fit any bike racks. And you can adjust these without using any tools. The mounting system also comes with a lot of interchangeable inserts, so you can switch around to make sure that you find the perfect fit for your specific rack. There are reflective patches on both the front and the back. For me, a big plus is that I'm able to use the top strap to hold my tripod, a jacket or something else that I want to keep on top of the panniers. So the back roller and the front roller are virtually the same, the only difference being that the back roller is 20 liters and the front roller is 12.5 liters big. Is it worth buying these panniers even though they are a bit pricey? Well, if you're looking for a kind of a durable, easy to take on and off panniers that will last you forever, I really recommend you to buy the Ortlieb front roller and back roller plus bags. If you're thinking about buying panniers for your bike, you're probably also looking for a handlebar bag. And by clicking the link up in the corner here, you can watch my review of the Ortlieb Ultimate 6 handlebar bag. Otherwise, until next time, have a good one.